Ke Embassy Jongkari Japan ke Badan Nongbah New Delhi ke Japan Foundation New Delhi hapok ke jingi lang bat ke Indian Council of Cultural Relation Northeast ke Ministry of External Affairs ke Sarkar Pedeng ban Pynlong ke Northeast Japan Caravan ajar pulai naduk akat niau terik haduk ke khandai terik entau benai ajar pulai ha ke baya day bat kening program na kaliang usona director ke ICCR UN Manish Singh ha baya kren bat kilat pathai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ulong bag jing temu jo kene ke Caravan ajar pulai kalang bat penpau ke pathai ke culture kinong Japan ta ke jing pendan benta bat ken thup lang ki samla jo kene ke thai ulai thu ru ba wala ka sam kene ke kerdop kelenti bandung se kene ke thai setei lamingi pat ke baya jan ma bat ke jelam me khalaya kumta la je de Shillong man Pynlong kene ke Caravan nama la syam ba ke Nongbah Shillong na lor ba ke de ke jela ke badon ke suk ke san la syam ru ba ha Shillong jan baro ke jai benru bat nong syong ke thai setei lamingi kidan bat ki basa ban tre ne ban le kiwe ki kam kum ke pule buthi bat kiwe kum ta ke Shillong kalong ke babiang ba banya pin benta ya ki culture ba pher ha kane ke jingi kendu bat ke lat pathai ku bor la ya don lang ru de ki saungut ki khot na po ke Japan Embassy ne ke Japan Foundation New Delhi ki bala batai ha ke baya day bat ke jing tmu ba Pynlong ke ne ke Northeast Japan Caravan ajar pulai
of the Japan Foundation. I hope I'm spelling your name right.
My name is
To showcase the Japanese culture that we have and our youth especially to involve in every kind of aspects of the Japanese culture. This has been organized by the Japanese Embassy in Delhi and the Japan Foundation New Delhi, along with in collaboration with ICCR, Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Northeast region, will be there to participate and to showcase judo and karate demonstration. We have anime film screening, specially organized by the Japan Foundation, and then apart from that, many other things are there, like especially through Ms. Kaiko Yoshikawa. This Japanese linguist promotion by Japan Foundation New Delhi will be there, and along with that there will be cosplay. Cosplay, as you all know, is very much top of the town, and youths are really liking it. So cosplay, not only just the performance, but in cosplay we'll have lecture, then workshop, anime trivia games like that. So this is really a wholesome 3 days entertainment full of different kind of aspects that our youths can understand and enjoy. Apart from that, we have this calligraphy also, and yukata, right? Yukata, calligraphy, and origami, like that. So then we have anime drawing contest also. So these are the varieties of items that we're gonna do during these 3 days of the Northeast Japan Caravan 2023. So I invite you all also in this festival. Please come and be a part of it. Guwahati may be the gateway to Northeast. So gateway means you have to reach somewhere, no? That somewhere I believe is Shillong. Shillong, you will find almost the entire community of Northeast India in Shillong. It's a lovely place, lovely people, and a good place to do something like that, such kind of cultural events. Peacefully place also like that. So in all that aspect and the location, we thought that if we kickstart from here, it will be more popular, and it can spread in the entire Northeast also.
There are few cosplay performer, and he is so famous, and he also attended Japanese cosplay festival. So he's so famous, and so he has some group of cosplay. So he will attend our event, and they will perform, and also the student will watch the performance and watch so closely see the cosplays, fashion, or any other thing. Yeah.
to chief guest and ambassador as well. So yeah, I'd like to convey the beautifulness of Japanese culture, such as the tea ceremony or matcha green tea serving.
Any Japanese food stall in these 3 days? Japanese food stall.
Food store.
Food store.
No, but Japanese language promotion
Yeah.
will also be there. So, Madam, you
Expecting audience also.
Audience?
Not only artists.
Yeah, not only artists. I mean, we
it's open to all.
open to all. Yes, youth, everyone. I mean, not only youth actually, like youth to the elders,
Elders, everyone.
everyone.
Different.
Yeah. We're happy if the people want to experience Japanese culture, language, everyone who are interested.